We'll guide you through how to make a modded Minecraft server with CurseForge. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. With the help of CurseForge in this video, you can easily have yourself a modded Minecraft server. Having a modded server is much more fun than just vanilla because we can go and have a mod pack which adds loads of different things to the game, loads of different features, items and more. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, and with CurseForge it makes it so easy. If you haven't already got CurseForge, we've got a video on how you can go and get it. And so in this video, it's important to note the server guide is going to go and be running it on your computer, therefore using your own computer's resources and your network. That isn't always ideal. So an alternative is going to be using a website called Apex Hosting. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. So with Apex Hosting, you can easily go and make a modded Minecraft server and install mod packs. There's loads, and we'll guide you through that quickly in a moment. But the great thing about Apex is that the server is going to be running even if your computer is turned off, as it's not hosted on there, and you aren't having to go and use your own resources, as modded Minecraft servers can be very resource intensive. If we scroll down, you can check out their great features like a free subdomain, making it easy for people to join. As if you host it on your computer and your network, you have to go and port forward. Unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, so if there's a problem, you can get help for it, and automated backups as well. So what you can do is go and press get your server. You will need to go and get a good sized server for all mod packs, and you can press order. And then where it says server version, you could go and type in what you want. Let's say I wanted all the mods. I could go and type it in, and we can see the different versions here. I can find the version I want and select it, and then go and get that server. And you can go and change the server version later in your panel as well. And so you can change it to different versions very easily. So do consider that. But continue with making it on your own computer. What we can do is go and find the pack you want to do it with. I want to do it with all the mods 10. So I'll go and click on it like so. Now, what you want to do is make sure you've got it installed in your computer. So if you haven't already, you can press browse and go and find the pack and install it by pressing install. I already have it though, as you can see in the top right, it says play. And just to the left of that, you can see this option which says download server pack. So we can go and download the server pack and the files we need. So press that there. This will open up and we can go and then choose we want to go and download it. I'm going to go and put it into my downloads like so. And now it's going to go and start downloading. You can see the progress in the bottom left here. In the meantime, with this downloads and stuff, I just want to go and make sure you've got installed. So you can go and open up your web browser, and you want to go and search something called Java, and you can come to java.com. First of all, download Java for desktop. So press that there and then press this again and it'll go and download. And also we will get JDK, which is Java Developer Kit. So you want to go and find developer downloads, and we can just go and accept this. Now, in this case, I prefer to get it for JDK 21. I find that works more for some reason. I think I had to go and downgrade it in the past. It's got previous long-term support, as you can see. Then you can go and select Windows, and you can go and get the installer here. So make sure these both download. So go and install both these. I already have, so I don't need to do that. So you can go and do that there. After you've got and installed it, we can go and continue. You can see this is almost finished downloading. So go and wait for this to go and complete. It now has. So what we can now do is just minimize that of CurseForge for now. And what we're going to do is just come into our file explorer and come to our downloads. And we've got this pack here. Let's drag it onto our desktop. At the moment, this is a zip file. It's got a zip across, so you can right click on it and you can press extract all and press extract. Now go and wait, you'll go and see the progress here. It shouldn't go and take too long. As you can see, it's moving pretty quickly. It should open up. If it doesn't, go and find the folder and you can then open it up. Now you can go down and you want to go and find the start server and you want to go and find that. Double click on it and now it's going to go and run. Now this is going to go and start downloading what it's going to go and need. So all you can do is go and wait and you can go and see here. So it should go and complete what it needs and downloads. Just go and be patient. I'll guide you through what we'll need to do next. It's saying failed to load EULA. This is because we need to go and review that. So close it for now and find EULA.txt and double click on it. In here, you need to go and read this through. So you can go and copy and paste this link into a web browser. I already have. So I'm going to go and change this to true. I agree. Press file and press save. Then what you can do, let me just close that. You can then go and find run.bat and you can then double click that. And now it's going to go and start running again. Go and wait, it's going to go and do what it needs to next. You should go and see that this goes and pops up, and this is your server. You may have recognized it before in vanilla. What we can do is go and open up CurseForge. We can then go and click play to go and launch the pack and wait for this to go and load. It's now loaded. You can press multiplayer and press add server. Then in the server address, because we're hosting it, you can go and type in localhost and press done, and you can select it and go and press join server. And we're now joining our server. Here we are, you've now gone and made the server, you're playing on it. If you want others to go and join, what you'll need to do is either go and do port forwarding, where you go into your router settings, we've got a guide on that, or alternatively, there's an application you can go and run to go and make the public go and join it. But ultimately, you're sharing your network and using your computer's resources, and you have to be running the server, etc., which is why Apex can be a great option. So thanks to them for sponsoring this video, and check them out down below.